Russian fighter jets scrambled after two U.S. planes approach border. Tensions soar. A Russian fighter jet scrambled after two U.S. reconnaissance planes approached the border on Thursday, the Russian Defense Ministry said. The Russian Defense Ministry claimed the two U.S. planes approached the Russian border over the Black Sea. It said the Russian fighter approached the U.S. strategic reconnaissance aircraft RC-135 and P-8A Poseidon patrolling plane. The American reconnaissance planes were not allowed to breach the Russian Federation's state border, the Russian ministry said in a statement. It comes just days after Russia said it intercepted a U.S. spy plane over the Black Sea. Earlier this week, in an announcement made by Russia's official news agency, TASS, the Russian Defense Ministry said a Su-27 fighter jet had made the interception. The Defense Ministry also claimed a U.S. surveillance plane was identified flying near to the Russian border. The aircraft was identified by the ministry as a P-8 Poseidon, which is said to have then veered away from Russian airspace. The ministry clearly stated no permission had been given for the path of the plane on Monday. The jet scrambled by Russia earlier this week was a Su-27 twin-engine fighter aircraft, which can travel at twice the speed of sound and reach up to 1,553 miles per hour, 2,500 kilometers per hour. It marks an increasingly tense period between the two superpowers. At the end of June, US F-22 stealth fighter aircraft were scrambled to intercept four Russian reconnaissance planes off Alaska, a current and Irad, the US and Canadian Defense Organization. They claimed the interception marked the 10th time this year Russian military aircraft had been intercepted near Alaska. The Russian aircraft did not enter US or Canadian sovereign airspace, NRAD said.